Bought a Blackstone griddle from Walmart. Absolutely love it. One of the best things I've ever bought. I also bought the surround table for it that goes around it. I'm having one little problem with the surround table. Nothing major. The surround table comes with these little pins. It's got these little ball bearings in it that's supposed to latch and hook. But when you let the table down, they don't hold that good. They kind of fall apart. But I got a simple fix for that. Went to Home Depot and bought this 95 Max Force round base magnet. I stuck a bolt and a little rubber washer and a regular washer and a nut in it just to keep the water from getting into it. But how you fix this is you just take this, put that on the underside of the table, and it holds. You don't even need the pin. I mean, it's on there good. When you want to use it, all you do is you pick it up and you latch it, and it just comes right apart. You can put your table back down. Anyway, that's a simple, easy fix. These magnets was about $7 each. So that's one way to fix the surround table on the Blackstone griddle.